What if humans never discovered electricity? At first, you might imagine a world without light bulbs. But electricity is much bigger than light. It is the invisible force behind phones, hospitals, factories, computers, satellites, refrigeration, traffic systems, radio, television, and the internet. Remove electricity, and the modern world does not just go dark. It slows down. Cities would still exist. Humans would still invent. Steam engines, gas lamps, mechanical clocks, paper records, and chemical machines could still shape society. But the world would feel trapped in a strange industrial age. Factories would depend on belts, gears, boilers, and human labor. Homes would use candles, oil lamps, and ice boxes. Streets would glow with gaslight instead of neon. Communication would be painfully slow. No phones, no radio, no instant messages. News would travel by courier, printed paper, ships, and trains. A message that takes 1 second today might take days, weeks, or even months. Medicine would also be changed. Hospitals would lose electric monitors, scanners, ventilators, lab machines, and many modern tools. Doctors could still save lives, but diagnosis and surgery would be far more limited. Then comes the biggest loss: computing. Without electricity, there are no electronic circuits, no microchips, no servers, no smartphones, no digital cameras, no search engines, no social media, no internet. Humanity might build huge mechanical calculators, but they would be slow, expensive, and limited. Science would move differently too. Without electric sensors and computers, astronomy, physics, weather prediction, genetics, and space exploration would all slow dramatically. The space age might never arrive. Even war and global trade would look different. No radar, no radio coordination, no electronic markets, no container tracking. The world economy would be more physical, more local, and harder to coordinate. But this world would not be simple. It might have less screen addiction, less digital surveillance, and fewer electronic weapons. But it would also have less medicine, less knowledge, less connection, and far fewer ways to solve problems quickly. So if humans never discovered electricity, civilization would not end. It would become a slower, darker, more mechanical version of itself. Not the Stone Age, not the modern age, something in between, a world where the future never fully turns on. If you enjoyed this alternate timeline, like the video, subscribe to Timeline Shift and tell us what history should change next.